We're back with another Bayan Flow devlog. Last time we hit 14 sorting algorithms and a full pathfinding suite, but 0.4.0 is a whole different level. Bayan means clarity in Arabic, and that's the goal here, making these concepts actually make sense for everyone from students to creators. Today we are looking at searching dynamic graph traversals, a built-in Python IDE, and the one feature I've been hyped to show you, an in-browser video export. First up, we have added an entire searching category, but we are not just doing basic list lookups. We have got 8 different algorithms in here. If it's an array-based search like binary or Fibonacci, the UI highlights the range as it narrows down in real time. But for stuff like DFS or the new BFS, the app actually switches to a node link graph substrate. This dual substrate setup means the UI adapts to the data, whether it is a simple list or a complex tree, all within the same clean interface. Actually, understanding an algorithm is one thing, but writing it usually gets tricky. So we turned the Python panel into a full-on interactive IDE. It runs directly in the browser via Pyodide, and we even built a LeetCode-style test harness. You can run your code against our presets or throw in your own custom inputs. It's all about getting that instant feedback loop while you are still in the flow, bridging the gap between watching an animation and actually owning the logic. We wanted to make it effortless to share what you are learning. Using Remotion, we built a high-performance video exporter that runs entirely in your browser. No extra software or screen recording needed. You can render any visualization into an HD MP4, horizontal for YouTube or vertical for charts and TikTok and Instagram. And it even tacks on a 10-second complexity analysis at the end of the video with time and space graphs. It's basically a content creation cheat code for CS students and educators. You can check them out on our Bayan Flow YouTube channel. We also dropped the new algorithm insight panel, your quick reference for history, use cases, and complexity stats. Basically your fun fact panel. This update was all about expanding how we learn these concepts. 0.5.0 is already in the works with tree traversals and advanced graph algorithms. Let me know in the comments which algorithm you want to see next. Catch you at the next one. Bye.